Have you ever felt a subtle warning from your body, as if it's trying to tell you something important? When it comes to heart health, the signs may not always be obvious, but they are there, quietly signaling potential trouble ahead. Our heart, the vital organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, often gives us clues before it reaches a critical point. But how can we recognize these signs and take action before it's too late? In this video, we'll explore 7 subtle signals that your heart may be giving you, indicating potential issues that require attention. From chest discomfort to changes in sleep patterns, these signs can vary in severity but should never be ignored. By understanding what our bodies are telling us and taking proactive steps to address any concerns, we can better protect our heart health and overall well-being. So, are you ready to learn about the signs your heart may be giving you? Stay tuned as we uncover these important warning signals and discuss why listening to your body is so important. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on heart health and wellness. Let's empower ourselves to take charge of our heart health and live our best lives. Sign 1. Chest pain or discomfort. Chest pain or discomfort is often regarded as one of the most recognizable warning signs of potential heart issues. While many people associate chest pain with a heart attack, it's essential to understand that not all chest pain is a cause for alarm. However, it's crucial not to dismiss any chest discomfort and to pay attention to its characteristics and accompanying symptoms. Typically, chest pain associated with heart problems may feel like pressure, tightness, squeezing, or heaviness in the chest area. It may also radiate to the arms, back, neck, jaw, or stomach. In some cases, chest pain may be accompanied by other symptoms such as shortness of breath, nausea, lightheadedness, or sweating. It's important to note that chest pain can have various causes, including heartburn, muscle strain, or anxiety. However, if you experience chest pain that is severe, persistent, or recurrent, it's crucial to seek medical attention promptly. Ignoring chest pain or dismissing it as indigestion can delay diagnosis and treatment of potentially life-threatening conditions such as a heart attack or angina. If you're unsure whether your chest pain is heart-related, it's always best to err on the side of caution and seek medical evaluation. Your healthcare provider can perform tests to determine the cause of your symptoms and recommend appropriate treatment. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to preventing complications and promoting heart health. Sign 2. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath, also known as dyspnea, can be a notable indicator of underlying heart problems. Individuals experiencing heart-related shortness of breath often describe a sensation of difficulty breathing or feeling breathless, even with minimal exertion. This symptom can occur suddenly or gradually worsen over time. Heart-related shortness of breath typically occurs due to the heart's inability to pump blood effectively, leading to inadequate oxygen supply to the body's tissues. It may also be accompanied by other symptoms such as chest pain, fatigue, or swelling in the legs and ankles. If you find yourself frequently struggling to catch your breath, especially during activities you would typically perform without difficulty, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Prompt evaluation can help identify the underlying cause and initiate appropriate treatment to alleviate symptoms and improve heart function. Sign 3. Fatigue or weakness. Fatigue or weakness, especially if persistent and unexplained, can be indicative of potential heart issues. Individuals with heart-related fatigue often experience a profound and lingering sense of tiredness, even after adequate rest. This exhaustion may interfere with daily activities and significantly impact quality of life. Heart-related fatigue typically occurs due to the heart's decreased ability to pump blood efficiently, leading to reduced oxygen delivery to the body's tissues. As a result, individuals may feel weak, lethargic, or unable to engage in routine tasks without experiencing undue tiredness. If you find yourself constantly feeling fatigued or weak, particularly if it's accompanied by other heart-related symptoms such as shortness of breath or chest discomfort, it's essential to seek medical evaluation. Identifying and addressing the underlying cause can help alleviate fatigue and improve overall heart function and well-being. Sign 4. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Dizziness or lightheadedness can often serve as warning signs of potential heart issues. These sensations may manifest as feeling unsteady, woozy, or on the verge of fainting. Heart-related dizziness typically occurs due to inadequate blood flow to the brain, resulting from reduced cardiac output or irregular heart rhythms. Individuals experiencing heart-related dizziness may notice that these episodes occur suddenly or worsen upon standing up quickly. They may also be accompanied by other symptoms such as palpitations, chest discomfort, or shortness of breath. If you frequently experience dizziness or lightheadedness, especially if it's accompanied by other concerning symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Prompt evaluation can help determine the underlying cause and initiate appropriate treatment to address heart-related issues and prevent complications. Sign 5. Irregular heartbeat. An irregular heartbeat, medically known as arrhythmia, can be a significant indicator of potential heart problems. This condition is characterized by abnormal heart rhythms, which may manifest as skipped beats, rapid heartbeats, tachycardia, or unusually slow heart rates, bradycardia. Heart-related arrhythmias can occur due to various factors, including underlying heart conditions, electrolyte imbalances, or disruptions in the heart's electrical system. Individuals with heart-related arrhythmias may experience palpitations, fluttering sensations in the chest, or a pounding heart. If you notice irregularities in your heart rate or experience persistent palpitations, it's essential to seek medical evaluation. Your healthcare provider can conduct tests to diagnose the type and cause of the arrhythmia and recommend appropriate treatment to manage symptoms and reduce the risk of complications. Sign 6. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or abdomen. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or abdomen, also known as edema, can signal potential heart issues. Heart-related edema occurs when the heart's pumping capacity is compromised, leading to fluid buildup in the body's tissues. This swelling may be particularly noticeable in the lower extremities due to gravity. Heart-related swelling often indicates congestive heart failure, a condition where the heart fails to effectively pump blood throughout the body. In addition to swelling, individuals may experience other symptoms such as shortness of breath, fatigue, and rapid weight gain. If you observe unexplained swelling, especially if it's accompanied by other heart-related symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional promptly. Early intervention can help manage heart-related issues and prevent complications. Sign 7. Changes in sleep patterns. Changes in sleep patterns can serve as subtle indicators of potential heart issues. While occasional disruptions in sleep are common, persistent changes such as difficulty falling asleep, waking up frequently during the night, or experiencing unrefreshing sleep may warrant attention. Heart-related sleep disturbances can occur due to underlying conditions like sleep apnea, which is characterized by pauses in breathing during sleep. Additionally, individuals with heart problems may experience nocturia, a condition where they wake up frequently during the night to urinate. If you notice significant changes in your sleep patterns, especially if they're accompanied by other heart-related symptoms, it's crucial to discuss them with a healthcare professional. Addressing sleep disturbances early on can help identify and manage underlying heart issues effectively. Being aware of the signs that your heart may be giving you before it deteriorates is vital for early intervention and prevention of serious complications. From chest pain to changes in sleep patterns, your body communicates potential heart issues through various symptoms. It's essential to listen to these warning signals and seek medical attention promptly if you experience any concerning symptoms. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management, can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Additionally, herbal remedies and holistic approaches may complement conventional treatments for heart health. For more informative content on maintaining a healthy heart and overall well-being, subscribe to our channel. Stay proactive about your heart health, and together, let's prioritize a heart-healthy lifestyle.